สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are traveling to DOC, Truth or Consequences. Mom and her friend going to Than, do a bit of shopping. I want to film that, just film a bit, a bit of lunch. Thank you very much for watching. Love you. DOC is T.
The short way, but it's the way where, what is that? Cut or what's it, truth or something? I can't say it. Truth or consequences? Yeah, truth.
Or Truth or Consequences.
The name of the person, right?
The game show. You know, the Jit.
What did you say, Boo?
I couldn't hear.
What did you say, Boo?
Just a minute.
She can't understand you what you say.
Well, I couldn't hear.
Just 2 minutes.
She didn't. Okay, so we're going home, right? Okay.
So the town over there called Truth or Consequences. Oh, I like.
Over there,
Uh-huh.
that's where we live.
Uh-huh.
It's Elephant Butte.
Okay. I just saw the sign say Truth or Consequences.
And this is truth or consequences. All of this back down in here
Uh-huh.
is truth or consequences.
Or TOC.
Or T or C. Yeah.
Or TOC.
For sure.
It's quite a few houses and that's it, isn't it? It's not many houses.
Can build so well.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. We out shopping today. So it's our food hang on a minute.
No, thank you. Look at all this. And mushroom?
And mushrooms.
Yeah.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot.
That's good
Oh
for
my god.
us.
Gotta be 6
We go to eat.
And could I get 2 egg? What's in the egg roll?
One is vegetables only, and then the other one has pork and a little bit of vegetables.
Okay, I'll take the vegetable only.
It's sweet peach.
Sweet.
I only have unsweet in the fountain, not in the bottle. Do you want to do a medium or a large?
Medium.
Medium? Anything else? No? No? Do you want a medium as well? The bottle of strawberry, 2 plates, the side of orange chicken, and the 2 egg rolls. The total will be $49.38. Will be cash or card? Card. And there you are. I'll be right back to the door.
Get some for me, please. This is what I order. King prawn. How's your? Nice?
Good.
My God, how you going to eat all that? That's quite a lot.
You got shrimp. You don't get no shrimp.
Yeah, you can taste, have some of mine, Kim.
Good.
Yeah, he taste some of mine. It's got a lot. Taste some. You taste some. It's like mushroom. Nice. อร่อยค่ะมาช้อปปิ้งแล้วก็ทานอาหารกลางวันกับแม่กับเพื่อนแม่2 คนนั่นแหละ watching so now we go to Elephant View where we stay ซื้อ certified ไม้
Who stopped?
It's coming.
Okay, clear. Remember this one we start with that way?
Yeah.
Oh, so the camp was still here.
ทุกสันนี่นะ
Got look pretty hard. All the dirt. Less water.
It's so sad. We could walk across it now.
Absolutely, you can. Just walk water about 3 feet. Dirt stick up.
You know, in the 60s, the water went all the way to the highway.
Oh my God.
On the old highway, the lake went all the way there. So in 40 years, it's gone down to what you see.
This lake can make a lot of money. But because our governor messed up, he sold the water to them Mexicans.
You want me to pull over so you can take pictures too?
No
Dirt.
dirt no I only video that
She calls me at least 4 times a day.
Kathy, this Kathy?
Yeah, from the project, you
Oh
know.
my God, you're kidding me.
No, she doesn't have all of her brain doesn't work very good.
Oh
no.
my God. Too bad. Just too bad.
She's 65, 60,
only 65
60 something years old, yeah.
Absolutely. That's too bad.
That's too
She
bad.
alone now?
Mm-hmm.
You met her at the church or something?
Yeah.
Oh my God, call you 4 times a day?
At least. And then calls sometimes 5 because she calls. If I don't answer, she'll keep calling
Oh my
over and over and over.
God, that's too bad. I hope hate to think about the bad thing. Go away, got a splash. Close it then. Never seen your video.
she fry jerky beef jerky salty beef salty fish beef salty beef and salty fish เนื้อเค็ม ปลาเค็มกับเนื้อเค็มทอดปลาเค็มกับเนื้อเค็มทำเองนะเนี่ย she make it herself she make that herself a bit for tomorrow so we had a bit for our dinner ประหยัดเนาะเผ็ดเองได้ประหยัดได้เนี่ย
ไม่มีขายต้องทำเอง
เออ อมแท้ๆ smell wonderful I like smell with the garlic and peppers is tasty smell nice กับต้มพะโล้เมื่อวานเนี่ย
Okay, this
Uh-huh.
one, heat up.
ต้มพะโล้แซ่บเด้อไม่ทำบ่อยเพราะมันน้ำตาลมันเยอะเนาะ Say one of those pork stew very sweet we have problem with high cholesterol no that so we need to eat something healthy try but it's hard everything tastes good is not healthy ป้านี่ไปตกเองแม่นบ่
So,
ใส่ไปโลด
ถ้าไม่ทำเองก็ไม่ได้กิน
ใช่
ไม่มีคนขาย
ไม่มีหรอกเมืองไทยเราไปซื้อตลาดก็ได้เนาะ
จะมึงเดิน
เราก็มีสาคูทำเมื่อวานก่อน สาคูเผือกเนาะแหนม โคโคนัทกุครีมโคโคนัท
เนื้อส้ม
เนื้อส้มซาวบีฟซาวบีฟ
ซาวบีฟเนี่ย
ซาวบีฟ
เนื้อส้ม
ซาวบีฟ and someone just lie there and listening yeah it's where mine yes mine you had your I love the smell
anything you want anything
เดี๋ยวก็ได้กินละ
ตกซื้อแมวออกจากห้อง
Uh-huh.
I after that on I do everything
he doesn't do nothing
don't know how
just eating
I clean and I cook and he eat
yeah
eat what this fish does
pig talking
everything what I call a good time good thing together
no
nothing in common
that's life isn't it but everybody is different
he different not everybody Vin clean but he don't know how to cook จะบอกความดีกันมีความสุขกับจะบอกความสุข
แมนอยู่เขาเป็นคนตรงไปตรงมาเนาะ
So,
you do good thing you get good thing you know
there you go eat
สวัสดีค่ะ Hi one เอา quick la dinner so we have the mom enjoy her I think she said salty beef and salty fish lovely that salty beef as well sweet egg beef stew with pork belly and we have dessert เขาเรียกอะไรแม่สาคูถั่ว
หวานบอกของหวาน
our dessert what do you call that again mom I don't remember
แทปปิโอค่ะ
tapioca
น้ำมัน
and coconut milk coconut cream and I love that so good Friday egg
in northern New Mexico relies on the Ganges River for its drinking water. But after record
I tried this fish
on
right
the Sunday de Cristos, the
salty
Ganges
fish
is flowing much quieter these days.
Salt
made
fish.
worse by
We all
severe
love it.
drought
saltfish
conditions.
The state engineer water master basically regulates the flow of the river, and we know how
good
much
stuff I
we
tell you
can
I make good stuff
and
Yep, no.
they'll have for
Very nice.
agriculture and other uses beyond our water system.
It's at times like this that a 2011 city ordinance comes into play, establishing conservation guidelines for when water storage
That's
levels
good.
drop below 90% capacity. The city just initiated Stage 3 restrictions.
We're preparing, we're making sure that every drop of water is saved.
Under Stage 3, residents can only water their yards once a week, compared to Stage 2's allowance of twice Mayor David Romero says it won't be too drastic of a change for
I love
residents
salty
because
fish.
many prioritize water
Saltfish.
conservation to this extent already. And the lighter stage 2 restrictions already included limitations on car washes and restaurants, as well as fountains and swimming pools. This comes as the community continues to recover from the Hermit's Peak Taft Canyon fire, which caused severe flooding, resulting in a water shortage in 2022.
Very nice.
It's just
แซ่บค่ะ อร่อย
learned behavior that we've accustomed to that we
ปลาผลปลาช่อนตากแห้ง
community and you know and I give a lot of kudos to our
แยกตกมา
Stage 4 would go into effect if reservoir levels drop below 80%. If that happens, people will have to stop watering their yards entirely.
Thank you everyone for watching.
The city implemented
Enjoy your day.
restrictions
Enjoy your meal.
solely due to drought
ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมประทานอาหาร
times like this come up
อาหารเย็นค่ะ
ready to go.
ขอบพระคุณค่ะ
We'll continue to do it.
Bye everyone.
Ask the
Love you.
community to
Love you all.
continue.
After a quick dinner, the rain is starting, but not here. It was over the mountain. We wish it's coming our way, but no rain again. Thank you very much for watching. ขอบพระคุณทุกท่านที่เข้ามารับชมให้กำลังใจ สวัสดีค่ะ Bye all. Love you so much, my